Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Apex Legend in iPhone and iPad in any country or region. We are not going to change the country or region of App Store. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch App Store. Then tap on search. And in search bar we have to type FIFA and search. Now tap on FIFA football, and under FIFA football you will see electronic arts. We have to tap on it. When we tap on electronic arts, this page will appear and you will see Apex Legend Mobile is available here, and we have to tap get. We have to place finger touch ID to install. Apex Legend start downloading in your iOS device. Right now I am using iPhone 6s, and we have to make sure that we have enough free space to get Apex Legend in mobile. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.